Hi, this is Rhonda Church Finfrock of Fruitful Life Studio, and recently my granddaughter had her special second birthday at a beautiful botanical garden. So I thought it was fitting to create some beautiful packages that matched the theme of her birthday. Before using IOD stamps for the first time, you need to give them some tooth by brushing them lightly in each direction with sandpaper. I started by wrapping the largest present in craft paper, and then I used IOD stamps and inks to decorate, starting with the largest image. These beautiful and simple to use IOD stamps and inks are available from your local IOD stockist or visit my website, fruitfullifestudio.com. Here you see a custom color that I mixed together in one of the IOD mixing bottles and then applied it to a blank stamp pad. Next, I took some ribbon that I got at the local thrift store and my glue gun and made a very simple bow. Anyone can do this.
Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before you let the night descend. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please make this moment last. Wait.
Just keep making those loops and gluing them down until you like what your bow looks like. After stamping a coordinating card, this present was ready to go. Next up, I took a craft bag with handles. I buy them in mass quantities, and I put a board inside so that I could stamp on a firm surface. I used the pavo stamp and then stamped feathers all around so that I could name all the family members on each feather that weren't present but were giving presents. I accented the stamps and did my hand lettering using acrylic paint pens. This special birthday celebrated at the botanical garden with my family was made even more special with the gift wrappings I created using IOD. Thanks for watching. I hope I've inspired you to create your own beautiful packages, and happy creating!